the entire bio syllabus in 5 categories. Hello everyone, and welcome to this channel. This is Medic Dave. I'll be looking at 5 categories in the biology syllabus and their subtopics. And trust me, if you can cover this aspect, you are good to go. Obviously, they cannot set the whole of the syllabus, but it is crucial that you know some important topics that you cannot escape. So category 1, we have variety of organism. Now, this aspect, we have some subtopics in it. We have living organism characteristics. We talk about some features of organism like what is virus, bacteria. Now, cell structure and function of cell components. That is plants and animals. So you have to use some structures. All these mitochondria, lysosome, the powerhouse, the kitchen of the cell. You have to know this organelle and their function, very important. Now, for level of organization, we have your cell tissue organ system. You have to know some organism and where they belong to. For example, there is a popular thing that this works. Popular thing because maybe like onion bulb is an example of what class of organization you have to know it. Now, the next aspect is the evolution of the following. Planting is very important. So, cryptogram, phanerogram, and the likes, potential generation. Yeah, and JAMB love asking about plants more than human body. Now, category 2, now we have forms and function. Yeah, this aspect you now going to talk about this internal structure of flowering plants, matter, lentils, a lot of them. When you talk about nutrition, you talk about food class, a lot of them. Transport, this is very important. So this aspect, you talk about blood, talk about so many things. Heart, everything, the heart as your organ, they are still under this transport. Respiration, you talk about your lungs, aerobic and aerobic, a lot of it. Excretion, very important. You talk about your own plant and animal, the organs and what they excrete. And I think under this topic, we talk about some organs of secretion. Make sure you know it. Support and movement. This aspect is where you have your muscular system, muscles, joint, and legs. Also in plants, you talk about some of these parenchyma, and so many of them. Reproduction. I don't really know why JAMB love doing this. If I want to ask you on reproduction, JAMB will not really ask you on animals, in women, how they give birth. They mostly ask the ones in plants. This reproduction. If you have flowers, you see flowers, they react to this, how it's produced both sexually and asexually, types of flowers. If you are reading, make sure you focus more on the plant aspects. So for growth, caloric growth, and these aspects is still actually very straightforward. You talk about irritability, tropic movement, taxism, and the likes. Please, you must know it. For control and coordination, yeah, you talk about your nervous system, your brain. There are a lot of questions on this aspect, a lot of them. I'm going to take so many questions due, so please make sure you are always following this channel. Category 3, ecology is very important. Like, you cannot escape ecology. This topic, they ask it very, very well. You cannot escape this one. Ecology, please. Read it with all your energy. Ecology is actually very, very broad. You read it read the concept. These local biomes in Nigeria. There are so many aspects of these local biomes in Nigeria. Even across Nigeria, so they do ask on, and this is very, very broad. Now, for category 4, heredity and variation. Under, should I say genetics? This study of heredity and variation. Yeah, all this Mendel's law, you must know it's very important. So, because breeding, complete dominance, all this, no one, trust me, I'm going to make standard or comprehensive video for them. And the last category is evolution, organic evolution. All these theories, all the Jean Lamarck, Charles Darwin, what they did, long neck, theory of natural selection, all this very important. You must know it. Evidence of evolution, all this fossil record, comparative anatomy, the trend, and a lot more. Trust me, they are very, very important. These are my 5 categories in bio syllabus. And trust me, if you can cover these aspects, you are good to go. So in my subsequent video, I'm going to make more standard videos analyze some of these topics and past question drills to make sure you are following me. I think that will be all for today. Have a lovely day and make sure you hit the button below to subscribe. See you next time.